Right, okay. Go for it.
It's here.
If you can get into it.
Sure, sealed up.
They do, they seal them really well.
Really?
Yep. This is the first time we've seen this. First ever print copy of Bluetooth in the World Wide Web.
Ta-da!
Woohoo! That looks good!
That's pretty good, that.
That looks actually, I'm really impressed with that, yeah? Let's have a look at the back. Turn it around.
There's the back.
Oh, wow.
And
Oh! Oh my god, they're brilliant!
that's come out really well, hasn't it?
That's really good, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, you see, you've shown the images now, so we can't post this yet.
Hmm.
Don't matter. That's ace.
That's fab, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's show the first one.
Ta-da!
Huh?
Bluetooth in the World Wide Web, first ever
Is it
copy.
you?